All right, it's straight cross. I'm back. Let's get rolling. Let's get cracking. Let's get moving. I hope you've been really diving into the content and diving into the training and really taking everything for what it is. And my biggest goal of everything is I want you to take everything, understand it, and be able to use it on a weekly and daily basis. That's my biggest goal. So I'm not trying to I'm not trying to make anything complicated. I'm not trying to make myself seem super smart. I'm not trying to, I'm not really trying to, I don't want to, it's not my desire to be some type of a show off or, hey, look what I know. I just want to break everything down to make it super simple so you can basically use it just like I do. That's my number one goal. Okay. So I hope you're getting it. And, so let's go ahead and get moving with the 6-4-1-5 chord progression. This chord progression is pretty cool. It's I call it like a CCM chord progression, also known as contemporary Christian music. And you've heard this chord progression in Our God by Chris Tomlin, Break Every Chain by Tasha Cobbs, and a ton of other songs. So once I play it, you'll know it. In C sharp. Okay, so the left hand 6, 4, 1, 5, and I'm gonna play it just like I'm playing Break Every Chain. Then I'm gonna go to Our God by Chris Tomlin. I know you heard this. Alright, one more time, and then I'm gonna go to Our God by Chris Tomlin. It's the same chord, same thing, just different tempo. Alright, now Our God. That's basically it. That was the same thing. It was just a different tempo. So 6-4-1-5. You've heard it. We've all heard it. It's a really good and nice chord progression. You absolutely have to have this in your bag nowadays to play gospel. So basically, what it is on the 6. You're gonna play the 6 minor chord. Okay, you're gonna play the 6 minor chord. Second inversion. Okay. Then, so that's also B flat minor. Okay. So 6 minor chord, second inversion, also known as B flat minor. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next one. On the 4, you're gonna play the 4 major root chord. Okay. 4 major root chord, which is also F sharp major. Okay. All right. Now moving on to the 1. On the 1, you're going to simply play the 1 major chord, first inversion. Okay. 1 major chord, first inversion, C sharp major. Okay, last but not least, we're going to the 5. We're going to play the 5 major chord, second inversion. Okay, that's A flat major. 6, 4, 1, 5. And if you need to, pause the video, go back, rewind it. However many times, just take 1 chord at a time until you get it. And make sure you get it down packed in C sharp and then learn it in all the rest of your keys, all the rest of your scales. All right, let's go.